Hi guys, welcome to today's video, which is going to be on phone holders. So this phone holder has given up on me. I've had it for a long time and the rubber bits here have gone, so I took it off to get it fixed and then I put it back onto the windscreen, and every morning at 3 to 4 a.m. it would fall off the windscreen, setting my alarm off, waking up my neighbors. So basically I needed to redo this bit, which is very sticky, and hope that it would actually work, but I think the spring's gone on it now. It's not very stiff, and obviously because this is gone, that's just useless to me now. So I thought to myself, I really want this, because this is probably the best phone holder I've ever used, and the reason being is because this is so solid and it's sitting away from the windscreen, but it's actually like, it doesn't vibrate. So if you've seen any of my vlog videos or any of my follow me to work videos, you'll see that I've got a bit of footage of me driving, and it's usually taken on my phone before I got the GoPro, and it was just it would just wobble with any other phone holder, but with this, pure crystal clear picture quality. It's like if it's image stabilized, but it's not. But yeah, so I was gutted. As you can see, I was so gutted that I tried to glue the bits back together and it didn't work. As you can see, it's all torn up in there. So what do? I can't use my GoPro windscreen mount because this isn't sticky at all, which is annoying. And obviously I've lost a little phone clip holder thing, and it would just come out this way, so it's not like I can actually use it for anything. So I'm going to shove that there. I went to the petrol station and I got myself this little thing, and I've had one of these before, very similar one to this, when I had the Fiat Punto. This one has actually damaged my phone. So this is the Google Pixel 4a, and as you can see there, it's got a nice little crack in it. So what was happening was, I was driving along and on a big bump it would go like that, and that's totally destroyed my phone, which is something, well, that was obviously something I was trying to avoid happening. I decided to get myself another eye bolt, and it's exactly the same one. Then I realized that you can get this bit separately. So this bit here comes off obviously, and you could buy that separately, but it was £10. For an extra £6 I could have got the whole unit and then just replace this all together. I decided to get this magnetic one as well. It says one-handed operation, 360 swivel, and says powerful magnet. We're gonna try this now. Now I've seen people and I've spoken to people that have said that mounted magnetically mounted ones don't actually work so great, and because I've got a plastic backed phone, I'm not sure if it's going to work that great, but let's give it a try. Ooh, you get loads of stuff with this. So you get the cleaning wipes, you get the base sticker pod thing. That's to put it on your dashboard. I'd never want to put anything on this lovely dashboard. And you get the magnetic section and a whole load of paper. Oh, and some stickies. What are these stickies for? Wow, that's a strong magnet. Bloody hell. That is a strong ass magnet. So these are little magnetic plates. I don't know how I'm going to use these. If I have to buy a case for my phone, this is kind of going to be out of... actually, let's see how it works right now. Okay, so give me uno memento. So this is the magnet. No, this is the magnet. Oh no, it doesn't work. That's the pain. So here's the magnetic piece. It's got it's leather bounded on the edges, and that's weird. It's kind of a nice touch, I guess. Oh no, it's not going to work. So what am I going to do? So do I put one of these in on the back? Because it looks like it's sticker backed or back stickered, sticky backed. Yeah, I'm gonna have to put one of these on. Whoa, fuck. Okay, I think what I'll do, I'll pop it there, just above the Google logo. Oh yes, okay. This is going to be interesting, but this is only good if the arm bloody stays in the right place. So I'm going to do that now. I'm going to charge up the GoPro so we can have a bit more time recording, and then see how it goes. So take this nasty thing off. Oh, that came off pretty quickly. Okay guys, so as you can see, I've got this in place now, and it's pretty sturdy, and hopefully it won't come off. And I've locked it into place there. Sorry, I'm holding it a bit bent, but I locked it into place there, and I locked it into place there. But now the arm doesn't move. You can actually move the arm, and then you can pull it out as well and further back. That's pretty good. I like that. It's like pushing the ejector seat or something. So I've got a circular metal pad as well, but I'm not gonna use that one. All right. On second thought, I am going to use that one. Shoot, where's it gone? We're not going to unbox this one unless this one fails. So I'm going to use it for a couple of weeks, see how it goes. Then I'll come back and do a video on this and give you an update on this one. But yeah, so far this one's been really good. So this is the Apps2Phone phone holder for your phone. So we get this little metal plate, we take the glue sticky backing off. Do you know what, I'm going to put it right over the G, because I don't really want to look at the G. Now I don't know what other issues that will cause, but that's actually quite an elegant solution. It would have been better if I had a case, and then I could put it on the case, on the inside of the case, and that would have actually worked a lot better, but it is what it is. Okay, so moment of truth. Ha! Look at that. All right. Amazing. All right guys, one more time. Switch the car on. Plug the power in, and that looks like it's gonna work. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time.